Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Honda Jazz boot from inside. Start by folding the rear seat and reaching into the boot space to find the release handle. Check along the trim panels and near the back panel for a small lever or strap. If you cannot see it, feel along the lower edge of the boot liner and near the latch for a pull tab or emergency release. In this video, I will show how to open Honda Jazz boot from inside. Fold the rear seat to create space, then slide your hand along the boot lining toward the center latch area. Locate a small tab, strap, or lever that is often colored or plastic. Grip it and pull straight toward you with steady pressure until you feel the latch release and the boot pops open slightly so you can lift it fully. In this video, I will show how to open Honda Jazz boot from inside. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort during car repairs. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting content like this. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Honda Jazz boot from inside. If the release is stiff, try gentle wiggling while pulling and avoid sharp jerks. Check for trapped cargo or trim panels covering the lever and remove any obstacles. If reach is limited, use a long, smooth tool to hook the tab, taking care not to damage upholstery or wiring, and always test the boot release after any adjustment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.